Stratosfera Volatile. A daring design from Lazzarini Design Studio. This is not just a vehicle, but a vision of a high-speed, eco-friendly urban transport system. Imagine relaxing in the sky in a two-seater eVTOL, just 1.65 meters long, clad in ultralight carbon fiber. Stratosfera Volatile, a combination of comfort, speed, and elegance. It is compact, but extremely convenient. 8 symmetrical wings ensure lightness and stability at speeds of up to 300 km per hour. This is not just a design. Stratosfera Volatile, not just an idea, but limitless potential. This is a daring vision of a high-speed, eco-friendly urban transport. The price and release date are still a mystery, but the design is sure to open new boundaries. Have you experienced Stratosfera Volatile yet? Let us know in the comments. Next, let's take a look at Lift Aircraft Hexa, a unique eVTOL, opening the era of personal flight. Hexa has a lightweight design with 18 propellers evenly arranged on 6 extended arms, helping it fly stably and safely even if some of the engines fail. For just $250, you can experience the feeling of spinning. Or, if you want to own it, the value of this aircraft is $495,000. One of the breakthroughs of Hexa is its simple control. Thanks to the self-balancing system, even those who have never flown a plane can use it, bringing a flying experience like in a video game. Walk Car, a personal vehicle as compact as a laptop, but can take you anywhere. Walk Car, the world's lightest electric skateboard, helps you move smart, convenient, and stylish. Weighing only 2.9 kilograms, the Walk Car is so light that you can put it in your backpack and carry it with you as a fashion accessory. Despite its small size, it still offers a flexible moving experience with speeds of up to 10 km per hour, enough to glide smoothly through crowded streets. The Walk Car 2 Pro version is even faster, with a speed of 15 km per hour and costs $1,370. Both versions are easy to use, step on to go, step off to stop. With a smooth and environmentally friendly design, the Walk Car is a convenient and modern means of transportation around the city. Do you want to own a Walk Car? Let us know in the comments. Have you ever dreamed of flying like Iron Man? Martin Jetpack is the breakthrough that makes that dream come true. This is not a normal plane or drone, but a real jetpack, allowing you to freely take off and glide through the air. Martin Jetpack promises to bring an unprecedented personal flying experience because no runway, no big propellers, just where Martin Jetpack, you can freely fly at a speed of 40 km per hour. Neo Eden, a work of art, a statement about the future. The Neo Eden is not just a means of transportation, it is an artistic creation. With its bold, modern design and advanced technology, the Neo Eden offers a classy mobile space where people and technology blend perfectly. The highlight of the Neo Eden is the large glass structure, covering the entire body of the car, providing panoramic views. When parked, the roof and doors will open wide, turning the car into an open relaxation space. Inside the Neo Eden is not just a cockpit, but also a mobile living space where you can work, entertain, or relax like at home. When parked, the roof and doors will open wide, turning the car into an open relaxation space. What do you think of the Neo Eden? Is this the future of travel? Switchblade. Switchblade is not just a regular three-wheeler, but a technological monster that can transform into a plane in just a few minutes. With its powerful aerodynamic design and powerful engine, Switchblade can glide on the streets like a supercar, then spread its wings and take off into the sky at incredible speeds. Up to 200 km per hour, and in the air can reach 305 km per hour. This is not just a means of transportation, but the future of personal transportation. Next is the Ultrabike, a two-wheeled electric mountain bike, born to challenge the limits and take you to unimaginable places. With a powerful electric drive system, while the frame is super light, the two-wheel active technology increases maximum traction, helping the Ultrabike not only overcome rough, rocky roads, but also cross muddy roads, climb steep slopes or conquer dangerous forest roads easily. The two-wheel active technology increases maximum traction, providing a stable and powerful driving feeling on all terrains. The bike has a maximum speed of 45 km per hour and an operating range of 97 km, enough for you to explore the wild nature. With a price of $4,500, this is a worthy investment for those who love to experience. Whether you are an adventurer or simply want to explore nature in a whole new way, the Ultra bike will be the perfect companion on every journey. Icon A5 Light Sport Aircraft. If you want to experience the feeling of flying a plane without having to be a professional pilot, then the Icon A5 is the perfect choice. With a modern, compact design and the ability to land on both land and water, the Icon A5 turns every flight into a real adventure. The easy, intuitive control system and the car-inspired cockpit help you control the plane as naturally as driving a car. With an operating range of more than 720 kilometers, the Icon A5 is the door to help us enjoy the sky like never before. Docycle Racing Motorcycle, creativity is limitless. Do you want to build your own bike? With the Docycle Racing Motorcycle Kit, that is no longer a dream. This is not just a motorcycle, it is a revolution in the world of two-wheeled vehicles, where you can customize, assemble and transform your bike in your own style with 15 different configurations. From super fast racing bikes to rugged off-road motorcycles, just change a few parts and you will have a completely new riding experience. Docycle Racing Motorcycle proven advanced technology, many unique configurations. It uses an advanced modular system, making it easy to assemble, disassemble and upgrade without having to be a mechanical expert. The ultralight frame, made from aerospace materials, optimizes weight while ensuring superior durability. eHang 216 Self-Driving Flying Taxi. Imagine a world where you want to avoid traffic jams and can soar into the sky with just a push of a button. That's the future that eHang 216 brings. With a two-seat design, 16 electric propellers, vertical takeoff and landing anywhere, and a fully autonomous steering system, no pilot required, you just need to choose a destination, and this flying taxi will automatically navigate, take off and land smoothly. With advanced technology, eHang 216 promises to revolutionize urban transportation. Climb E. A versatile electric vehicle with 3 unique functions, which can function as an electric car, a mobile apartment, and a personal elevator. Clip E is an autonomous electric vehicle connected to AI, so as an intelligent, driverless self-driving vehicle, it can automatically find the optimal route. The cabin of the Climb E is designed as a mobile mini apartment, a mobile living space, which can be used for work, rest, or entertainment while the vehicle is moving. Clip E is also an elevator, integrated with smart buildings. When arriving at a smart building, the vehicle can be directly attached to the elevator system, taking you and the entire cabin straight to your apartment, office, or personal space without leaving the vehicle. Joby Aviation S4, a step forward for green transportation. A vehicle that can fly faster than a car, cleaner than a traditional plane, and significantly reduce global emissions. Developers spent 12 years to ensure that this flying taxi can still fly safely. Even if 1 or 2 propellers fail, it will automatically distribute thrust to maintain balance and continue flying. With a helicopter, the engine must be used continuously to create lift, causing more energy consumption. In the Joby Aviation S4, when flying at a high enough speed, the lift from the wings will take on most of the weight, saving battery power and extending the flight range to 240 km on a single charge. Next up is the Wide Path Camper, the pinnacle of mobile camping technology. Have you ever imagined that you could carry a tiny house with just a bicycle? The Wide Path Camper makes it a reality with its smart, convenient and versatile technological design, allowing you to enjoy modern nomadic life without a car or hotel. When moving, the camper has a compact size of 99 cm x 130 cm, easily pulling a bicycle. When setting up camp, the Wide Path Camper cabin can be folded in half to create a spacious space for 2 people to sleep comfortably. The camper is equipped with many amenities, with solar panels providing power for LED lights, USB charging ports and mini fans. The double wall is well insulated, keeping warm in winter and cool in summer. Camper's smart living space helps us camp anywhere, from mountains, beaches to the suburbs of the city. VX for aerospace. VX is one of the most advanced flying taxis in the urban aviation industry. It reaches a maximum speed of about 320 km per hour, which significantly reduces travel time. About passenger capacity, VX can carry 4 passengers and a pilot. One of the most outstanding features of VX is its vertical takeoff and landing capability, which means it does not need a runway but can use small landing pads in the city, on the roofs of buildings or dedicated parking lots. Help solve the problem of ground traffic congestion, providing a modern mode of transportation. Next is Northern Light, superior power. Northern Light is a powerful 3-wheeled electric bike, combining luxurious design and outstanding performance. With a high-power engine, the bike provides impressive acceleration and flexible movement, conquering all terrains. The sturdy 3-wheel design increases safety, suitable for both the elderly or those who love certainty. Equipped with a bright LED lighting system, smart control panel, helping you experience a safe, convenient journey and a strong driving feeling on long journeys. Airspeeder, shaping the future of sky racing. Airspeeder is a revolution in technology and sport. It is the world's first electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) race, promising to bring impressive high-speed performances in the sky. With LiDAR technology and anti-collision radar ensuring maximum safety for pilots throughout the race. Moreover, the advanced control system helps racers precisely adjust each turn, accelerate and overtake opponents in mid-air. With its lightweight structure, flexibility and air-electric motors, Airspeeder is the beginning of a new future in technology and speed. Setting new standards for impressive air racing like traditional ground sports? Let's wait and see. Next, let's talk about the Nomomag Rail, a revolution in rail travel. Imagine being able to double the speed of your train without building any new tracks. The Nomomag Rail is making this happen, combining advanced magnetic levitation technology with linear motors. About the advantages of the Nomomag Rail. Unlike the Hyperloop, which requires completely new infrastructure, the Mag Rail only requires upgrading the existing track, making it quick and cost-effective to deploy. The train can travel at speeds of 340 miles per hour, reducing travel times and creating a true alternative to air travel. The Nomomag Rail has an advanced system that allows both maglev and conventional trains to share the same track, maximizing efficiency. Jetson 1. Imagine a world where you can soar through the sky in a small personal vehicle. Jetson 1 is making it happen. It is an electric, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for one person, offering unprecedented freedom, safety, and ease of flight. The Jetson 1 features an aerospace-inspired, ultralight aluminum frame that weighs just 86 kilograms while remaining durable and aerodynamic. Intuitive controls make it easy for pilots to master in just minutes of practice. Finally, we have the Rise Recon. Freedom of flight has never been easier. Imagine being able to take off from your backyard, fly over fields, lakes or difficult terrain without needing a runway. That's what the Rise Recon is, an ultra-light, powerful and easy-to-fly eVTOL that will usher in a new era of personal flying. The Rise Recon is designed to be piloted by anyone with no training. With simple joystick controls, auto-stabilization and advanced flight technology, you can control this eVTOL as easily as you would an ATV. The Rise Recon is not only for adventurers, but can also assist in agriculture, rescue, patrolling or fast transportation in remote areas. Lightweight, easy to control and environmentally friendly, it is the ideal vehicle for the future of air travel.